get this done. All right. I think artists should suffer more. That's what I think. Why do I think that? Why would I say such a crazy thing? It's like suffering. There's so much suffering in the world. Artists already suffer. They're poor. They're starving, etc., etc. Well, here's the problem that I have. I hate it when motherfuckers on the internet are like, hey, I'm just like you. I'm just like you for real. Also, at the same time, they're like, also, I've done this thing. Look at all this cool stuff that I've done. Look how cool it is. Don't you like how cool it is? Are you really impressed? Don't you think of me as like an expert? And that pisses me off. Why does it piss me off? So my friend sent me a video. A friend of mine sent me a video. He just sent me a little YouTube link. It's not really important what that YouTube video is, but the premise, the way it starts off is... Don't you have so many unfinished projects? Wouldn't you like to complete something? Well, let me tell you, I was just like you. I didn't have any finished projects either. And then I made a YouTube video. That's how the video starts, right? That's the hook of the video my friend sent. And effectively, what the video is about is like, hey, sharing your art is important, blah, 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 I can get you out of ruts, whatever. I don't like the implication that the person making that video is just like me. Because I'm a know-nothing fucking loser, okay? I have one title that was released, but is no longer available. It's not even fucking good, okay? No, it's pretty good. Let me not shit on it, okay? Let me not shit on my babe. The video attempts to give advice about finishing projects. I hate this. Why? Because the video maker attempts to relate to me, a know-nothing loser, and what I assume to be the most people watching this video, also know-nothing losers. You're not like me, bro. I don't have a YouTube channel with less than 50 vids, with a total of 56K subs, total view count of over 1 million, okay? Okay, bro? Like, we are not the same. And you attempting to pretend that we are is kind of annoying. The video is about finishing game projects specifically and like doing art and doing animation, but the person making the video is so far ahead of me and what I assume to be most people watching the video that's like, how is this relatable? This isn't relatable to me. And it would have been different if I had went to that person's channel and I saw like a backlog of like 100 videos, right? Going all the way back to what, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how long it was going back, but 100 videos or more than fucking 50 where most of their views are, sub 1K and they're just trying, they're just iterating. They're making a video about whatever. They're posting it. It gets like 7 views. Week later, they make another fucking video. It gets like 12 views, and I can see that growth. At least I could be like, okay, yes, me and this person that I should be taking advice from actually are similar. I can see the growth. I need to see the growth. I can't trust you unless I see the growth. That's a problem for me. I don't like how everyone just pretends to be artists, fully formed, like you sprung forth like Athena, fully formed from Zeus's head. Okay? I don't like that. That doesn't make me feel good. The truth is that the person that made the video that I watched is an anomaly. They are an anomaly in the art world. They're an anomaly in the YouTube world. They're an anomaly everywhere. So I personally don't think I get a lot of help from an anomaly telling me, oh yeah, just do the stuff. Like, I don't want advice from you. If you're going to give me advice, I at least want to see your growth. Or at least want to see, I was like, oh, okay. I can see your 10,000 hours. I can see something. I just don't like that. And you see it everywhere. You see it all over the internet. Nobody is showing the work. Everybody wants to just show the finished product. Nobody's showing the work because the truth is the work is suffering. The work sucks. Okay, you may like being an artist or you might like being a game dev or like being a programmer, but the path to mastery, it's not an enjoyable watch. And I think that's what it is. Like, I'm an idiot, okay? I have a very long path to mastery ahead of me. I'm not fully formed. I'm not there. And I can't take anyone seriously who attempts to present a born sexy yesterday persona. Show me the work. How'd you get sexy? How long did it take? Let me see the receipts. But there are no receipts. The fact of the matter is that getting good at literally anything requires effort. And I can't trust you if I haven't seen that effort. Now, I'm just rambling. This is all bullshit. Who cares? Right? Like, I'm going to post this. It's going to get 5 views. But the fact of the matter is that if I ever pop off Okay, you can come back and be like, oh, this guy fucking did it. This guy has the suffering. I see the suffering. He posted it every fucking month. Okay, like, that's it. That's all I want.